Hello friends, welcome to new tutorial in Illustrator. Today we'll create editable shadow text effect for long text. I'll show you two options, one with a blend tool and one with a different variation, which will help you to edit long text easily. So let's get started. So I already have this text here and I have also created two swatches here. So it would be helpful for us to just pick these colors. So we basically create shadows by duplicating text, and for this one I'll take the lighter shade, and then what we do is we add this either above it or below it. So like this we create shadow, and sometimes if you want a thicker area or something like additional levels of 3D kind of an effect, then what we do is we select blend tool and then just click on the additional text which is below it, and this will create a 3D kind of an output. So this is a good effect, but what happens is if you want to edit something like this which has a very long text, for small text this is good, but if you want to edit a long text, then what happens is if at all if I want to delete this, so what happens is the text below it will also get affected, and you'll have to go to the second text and delete that particular text again there. So I'll just show you like this. So then what happens is you have to do that process twice. So to reduce this, there is another option which is very helpful, and I'll show you that. So I'll go back to the text. I'm just doing Control Z. So we have this text. So first thing what we'll do is we'll select this text, and then if you have appearance tab, then click on it. If you don't have appearance tab, then click on Windows menu. Inside that you'll find appearance and click on it. That will give you this tab. Now inside this you'll find this burger menu, the three lines here. Click on it, and there you'll have this add new fill. Click on add new fill. Now you'll get this color, but we'll change that color. So select on this and then click on eyedropper and select the color. So I'll take this lighter blue, and then once you have this fill ready, just duplicate it either by dragging it on this, or you can create a new fill, and that new fill again will change that color to blue color. Now this time we'll take dark blue. So now you have these two fills ready here. Additionally, what you have to do is, since I want this dark blue as shadow, so I'll select this. If you want light blue as shadow, then select the light blue option. So for dark blue, I'm selecting it and then going to effects, which is effects here. And then inside that, go to distort and transform. In distort and transform, you'll find transform. Click on it and put this move to 1 for both horizontal and vertical. Put as 1 px, and you'll find there is this slight movement here. You'll get to see darker shade of blue here. Then create copies. So in this, what happens is if you want to increase shadow, you should increase the copies. So for example, if I put 2, so you'll notice height is around 2. So if you want to increase that to 20, then the length of this shadow will increase further. So I'm keeping it around 10. You can keep the length as per your requirement. And once you do that, just click on OK. Now, if I want to edit this, if I want to delete effects, it can be easily done. So This is very good, not just for long text, but also for short text. So I hope you learned something new from this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.